So I'm going to show you an example of promoting 3 offers through one link. For example, if we send our first offer to 20% of our visitors and send our second offer to 20% of other visitors, and the third offer we send it to the last 60% of our visitors. Let's go to BMob and I'll show you how it's done. Here on BMob, on the top you find offers. You go to offers and you click on new. For an example, let's insert in name offer1. And for example, in the URL, you type http://offer1.com. Then click on save. Same thing goes for the second and third offer. Now on top, let's click on campaigns and create a new. In the name, for example, let's type 3 direct links. In destination, click on built-in flow and unselect landings and click on add offer. Choose the offer 1 and 2 and 3 that you have already made. And the weight area is where you determine what percentage you want to give for each offer. As we said, for the first offer, we're going to give it 20%, and the second 20%, and for the third offer, we're going to make it 60%. Then you click on save. Let's copy campaign URL and check out if the site works. Now, as you can see, the site does work. You refresh again the link and you will be sent to the second page. And then if you refresh it again, you will be sent to the third offer. Now I'll show you a different example for landing pages. Let's say we are going to promote 3 landing pages through one link. For example, we're going to direct 30% of our visitors to the first land page and 30% of other visitors to the second land page, and the last 40% we're going to direct to the third land page. So let's go to BMob and I show you how to do it. On top you'll find landings. You click on landings and then you create a new. Let's type in the name landing pages, landing page 1 for example. And in the URL we're going to type landingpage1.com. Then click on save, and then we create a second new and name it landing page 2. And in the URL we're gonna write landingpage2.com and click on save. And the same thing goes for the third landing page. Now you go click on campaigns and create a new campaign. In the name let's type 3 landing pages. And on destination click on built-in flow and you're gonna add the 3 landing pages you already created. And below you're going to choose which offer you want the landing pages to direct your visitors. Let's choose offer 1 for example, and you save it and you check out if your link works. And now I'm going to show you how to promote 3 offers or more via one landing page. I'll explain to you how to do that. Let's say that we want to send 10% of our visitors to the first offer and 40% to our second and 50% to our third offer. I'm gonna show you how to do it in BMob. We already have this landing page which we're gonna use in our explanation. You go to campaigns and click on new, and in the name you type 3 offers. 3 offers, 1 landing page. Let's choose one of the landing pages that we already made previously. And we're gonna add our 3 offers that we already have made. And on weight, we're gonna type the percentages that we want for each offer. And click on save. We're gonna copy our URL and check if it works. Now let's try and click on buy it now. Each time our visitors click on buy it now, they will be sent by percentage that we have already determined to our 3 offers. Now I'll show you how to promote 3 different offers through one link in 3 different countries. For example, we're gonna promote the first offer to visitors from USA, and the second offer to the people from the UK, and the third one to people in Brazil. We go to Bmob and click on campaigns and click on new. In the name, we're gonna name it 3 offers, 3 countries, for example. And we're gonna click on built-in flow and unselect landings, and go down below. You're gonna find add new rule. You click on it and you click on add condition and click on select country. Here in add-on conditions, you're gonna find tools where you can modify how and which countries or connection types or browser versions, brand and models you want to target. Now for us, we're gonna go to country and select the 3 countries I said. We're gonna choose USA at first. Click on save. We're gonna choose offer 1. Now we're gonna add a new rule and choose the UK. And in the Great Britain path, you're gonna unselect landings and add offer 2. And you're gonna add the last rule, which is targeted to Brazil. And you're gonna, in the Brazil path, you're gonna unselect landings again and choose the third offer. You scroll back up to default. You click on offers and you choose, for example, offer 1 and click on save. Then you copy your URL and test it. After you promote your link, you come to dashboard and you find the statistics and the reactions to your link. Here in the dashboard, you can know which visitors made action and all the information about them, which country they come from and the devices they use, etc. And on the right of the searching bar, you can choose the date you want, or you can choose a date range. You go and select the campaign you promoted and click on report. On the top left, you can read conversions and ISP, countries, IPSs, devices, OSs, browsers, reference, languages, and date and day parting. For example, let's choose countries. After you click on countries, you can see from which countries came the most conversions. For example, if you found that most of your conversions come from visitors in Brazil, then you can create more campaigns and target visitors from Brazil.